Hi foodies, welcome to my food page. Today we're gonna be making smoothie. So for this recipe I'm gonna be using mangoes and also gonna be using pineapple and one orange as well. I'm also gonna be using one fresh banana and one frozen banana. I'm also going to be using Greek yogurt for this recipe as well. So right now what we're going to do, we're going to put all the ingredients into the blender. First goes the mangoes, then the frozen pineapples. Now we're going to add the orange. Make sure to dice it into bits before adding it into the blender. Just cut into bits and put it into the blender. I'm also going to be putting the frozen banana. And after that we're going to be putting the fresh banana as well. So the fresh banana, just peel the banana and cut into bits with your hands. Just chop it into bits with your hands. If you're new to this page, please hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell as well to get notifications when I post. Thank you. And after doing that, I'm also going to be adding the Greek yogurt. For this recipe, I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. You just take the yogurt and put them into the blender as well. At this moment, I realize it's going to be a very thick smoothie, so I'm going to be adding milk to this recipe. So I'm going to be adding half a cup of milk before the making goes all over the recipe. And right now, we're going to blend the smoothie. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. My love is forever yours, forever yours. My love is forever yours. So while blending the smoothie, I notice it's becoming so thick. So right now I'll be using a spatula to help me to make the ingredients go anywhere in the blender. So I'm just going to push the ingredients down with the spatula. Just put them down. I guess because the frozen, most of the ingredients are frozen, that's why it's so hard for the blender. But with the spatula, it helps and it's blending really well right now. So that's the tip. So just blend it. And it looks now the smoothie is ready. And so just pour the smoothie into a cup and you're good to go. Look at how good this turns out to be. It's so good. Yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you try this recipe, and if you try this recipe, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you.